Hey hackers, hope you all are having a great day. Thank you for participating in Voyage Hacks 2. And right now, let's look at some of the cool projects that people wanted us to see on stream. So, we will start with Pet Guide and let's look at their demo video. So, here we are, Pet Guide.
Hello, my name is Samuel, and this is our solution for the Woods hackathon. In this hackathon, we build a hardware solution in form of a collar which can be attached to animal snake and can be used to monitor their health and their location, even if they run into the woods.
And here we have the prototyping stage. We have the DHT sensor giving out the temperature and the humidity of the animal. It's our tracker, that is a GPS device that's going to track the location, and this is our microcontroller that controls everything. Right now on my screen, you can see I have streams of data coming in from these devices: the temperature, humidity, the latitude, the longitude, the altitude, the acceleration of this device. So this is going to be attached together in a collar which will be fixed on the animal's neck. Right now, our team is currently working on building the Azure solution, that is IoT central on Azure platform, that we're going to be sending this data to, so that we can remotely monitor the location and some of information of the animal. So you can see this my location. I don't want to show it, so it's giving out the location, the temperature, and everything. So right now the next thing is to put this whole thing into a collar that's going to fit into an animal's neck. So you can fix the collar on the animal's neck in this order. I couldn't get that perfectly. So, and the animal will be free to go. So now let's go back to Microsoft Azure IoT platform to check our data.
Here I am on Azure platform. I'm using IoT Central. That's where we are saving all our information. And here I am in the devices. I name my device Animal Monitoring Collar A. We can have as many as possible depending on the number of collars that we have. If I click on this device, we're going to see the information that have been logged here. So here on Microsoft Azure IoT Central, we can see the temperature. When I activated it about 3 hours ago, the temperature, the humidity, the latitude, the longitude, the speed of the animal, and also the altitude. So we can also monitor the speed of the animal. For example, the animals are being chased by poachers. You can easily monitor that the speed has increased. Then you can monitor it, and you use the location, latitude, and longitude, and find wherever they are on the face of the earth. Thank you.
That was a very cool hack, and I'm so surprised to see that the whole hack was created today with the hardware as well, and it's a very interesting problem that it's trying to solve. So good to see it. Let's move on now to Knock Knock, which is our second submission for the live streaming. So let's see what Knock Knock is about. Here we go for Knock Knock.
Hey, this is Gautam Krishnan doing this demo for Voyage Hacks 2. I'm sure everyone at some point in their life have been to a completely new place and not knowing what to do, or not knowing anyone over there to show you around, or just being bored in general. So we made an app called Knock Knock to solve some of these problems. When a new user registers in our app, we collect all the necessary informations like their interest, the languages they speak, and their current city. Then this app shows you the other amazing people near you and all the posts that they made about the events that they are attending, all the things that they are going to visit, all the help that they need, and you can do the same. And the people who are interested will reach out to you. So let's register as a new user. So our app uses our phone number for verification, and we can only create one account with every phone number. As you can see like the other users in your area has made post about all the things that they are doing or attending or the help that they need. If you tap on them, you can see further information about the post. You can also see their age, the languages that they speak, their contact number, and their location. You can also just scroll and see all the people around you, and if you tap them, you can see their bio and the things that they are interested in and their hobbies. So if you like someone, you can reach out to them with the contact number, and you can make new friends. This is our app, and we hope you liked it.
Thanks for that interesting video demo, Team Knock Knock. First of all, the UI looks very clean and neat. Again, it's great to see all of this coming up in 24-hour hacks, and it's an interesting solution to get people together who are like traveling, especially if you're traveling alone and you want like some company when you're seeing places. It's something I definitely feel I can relate with. So cool hack there. Now let's move on to the project submitted by Team Nominaire, and let's see what they have here for us.
Hello, hackers. Krishna from Nominare, and we've just built the world's first information aggregator to help you learn anything you wish to learn. Due to time constraints, we weren't able to create a front end for this project, but we were able to create an incredibly phenomenal backend. Our phenomenal backend consists of 4 endpoints, namely summary, link, videos, and research. Each of which does what its name suggests. Let's start with summary. Summary was by far our most complex endpoint. In this one, we had to run a Wikipedia search and collect NLP data to see its sentiment as the JavaScript project's name suggests. Its sentiment told us how the text aligned itself. For example, some of them failed the test because they're either too positive or too negative toward the topic they're discussing. Let's exemplify this by using the topic C. C returns a very patronizing text from Wikipedia, which receives the failing sentiment score. Let's move on to link. Link, as the name suggests, gives 3 links and 3 titles associated to each one of them. This is done by performing a DuckDuckGo search, which gives you the most relevant, most clicked, and most resourceful of sources. The next one is the videos topic. It gives you the two most relevant videos you can find on YouTube. Preferably in the last 2 years. It gives you the names because the Java YouTube data v3 did not submit anything but the URL for the thumbnail and the name as part of a snippet object. We're still trying to figure out why this is, and we're trying to remedy this on the front end. And finally, we have research. This submits 2 URLs of 2 research papers they found on Google Scholar. And as you can see, these are very real research papers from the University of Cornell. Complete with the DOI number and everything else. Thank you for your time, judges. This is all from Team Nominare.
Thank you, Team Nominare, for that very interesting backend solution that you have there. Very interested to see how that would come up with a full front end and how people can make use of it. Even these API calls seem pretty cool to just get a lot of information. Now let's move on to the project by Team Visionary, and let's look at that project.
my name is Ari, and this is my demo for today's hackathon. So my project is called Visionary, which is an artificial intelligence assistant that can communicate with the users and help them to plan for their next vacation. Let's start by how it works. You can either chat with the AI assistant or prompt them for suggestions on vacation planning. First, I may want to say hi to Visionary. Next, we can type in nearby restaurants, or you may enter something like hungry or food, which will also direct you to dining suggestions. Imagine you travel to a new city. You now feel hungry, but you have no idea where to dine in based on your tourism favorite. In this condition, you can ask Visionary for help. To be more specific, you can type in nearby restaurants, and our AI assistant will send you back the top 3 ranked restaurants based on your needs and your preferences. Based on time limits, Visionary only supports for food suggestions and activity suggestions. I will continue adding more features to it in the future. To talk more about the technologies, first I wrote data crawler to scrape information directly from the website. Then I clean the data and store them into a collection of databases on DynamoDB. Second, I incorporate recommendation system to fit the interests of all different users. Third, I created a chatbot that allows users to chat with an artificial intelligence assistant, which we called as Visionary. And finally, based on what we have here, Visionary can help people to plan for their vacation in an easy, efficient, and comfortable way.
That is a very cool tool again for traveling. I love how we have so many hacks today which can really make travel a lot simpler than it is today. So great work there, team. And now we look at Control Shift F for Chrome.
Hi, I'm Jacob. This is my submission for Voyage Hacks 2. If you're anything like me, you use Control F to get around a web page very quickly. It's very convenient. But the issue is, it doesn't work if you're trying to find something that's on a different page. That's why I built Control Shift F. It's just like Control F, but it searches for things on multiple pages at a time. So you can easily jump to the page that has what you're looking for. Let me show you again. Control Shift F, search for what you're looking for, select it, go to it. It's that easy.
Wow, that was a pretty cool demo of it's short, sweet, but actually very useful for when you're using Google Chrome and need to find something. Pretty interesting to see that. So that is all the projects that I had with me on the streaming channel. If I missed your project or if you want to demo it, you can send a link on the joining the stream channel on our Discord server. Meanwhile, we go back, finish our judging, and I will be back with you in 20 minutes to declare the winners of this hackathon. So stay tuned here, folks, and I will see all of you in 10 to 15 minutes. Hey everybody. How are all of you doing today? We are finally at the last leg of this weekend, which is the closing ceremony of Voyage Hacks. So Kishore and I are super excited to be here and tell you everything that we did this weekend and our winners for this super fun hackathon. So, first of all, I would like to give a huge thank you today for all our hackers, mentors, and judges for joining us this weekend and making it the fabulous event that it was. We had more than 130 hackers check in for the event and 15 plus projects were submitted. So now let's quickly take a look at all the sponsor prizes that we have for you, and then we will get a glimpse of the winners. So these are a list of all the prizes that you get to win and the different categories that are there with us this weekend. So our first prize category is the best domain registered with domain.com. And the winner for this prize category is Tetrazoro Technique with their domain name tetrazoro.tech. Congratulations, team. It was a great domain name as well as the website on there. Congratulations for that.
And the next prize is from GoDaddy. This is for...
Sure, we can't hear you.
Oh, okay. My bad.
All good. Always happens on live streams. Some audio visual doesn't end up working as it should. I'll continue. The best domain name from GoDaddy registry goes to the Solo Backpacker, and their domain is the Solo Backpacker with us. Great name there again. I think the .us really works very well with this name. Congratulations, team, again for winning the GoDaddy registry best domain name prize. And we have Kishore back with us.
Okay.
Kishore,
you can hear me now, right?
Talk to us now.
Can you hear me now?
Oh
man, okay.
Doesn't look like I can hear you again. Okay. Do you want to try again? Yep. All good. Okay.
Sorry. Yeah, sorry.
No, I could have been anything. So over to you now.
Okay. So the next prize category is from Twilio, and this goes to Visionary.
Congratulations, Team Visionary. You win the prize for the most creative user Twilio. The next category with us is Dream Big and Create More. Cheers with AB InBev. And the winner for this is My Holiday. Congratulations, team. Super cool project that we'd all love to use, honestly, on our vacations.
And the next prize is for the best use of DSO. And this goes to travel time. And I personally looked at this project, and they did a great job with it.
Congratulations, team. Now let's look at the best use of NLP with Cohere. And the winner for this is IQ Enhance. Congratulations, team, again to you. And now it's time to look at the Bon Voyage hacks prices for this weekend, for which we obviously have the overall categories as well as a daycation hack and a take a break hack. I'm excited to see the winner for the daycation hack since they are our main theme prize for this weekend. So Kishore, over to you.
So for the vacation hack, this is a tough category, but this one goes to Glow Itinerary.
Congratulations, team.
This was a great project,
yeah. And the winner for Take a Break hack is a very fun hack called Quickie Trips. So congratulations to you, team Quickie Trips. And now it's time to move on to our final 3 prizes for the weekend. So the third overall prize goes to team Recipe Explorer. It's a great way for us to look at different recipes. I personally enjoyed watching your demo, so great work here.
Yep. And the second overall goes to Visionary.
Get another prize of Team Visionary. And Kishore, do you want to do the honors to declare the winner for this hackathon?
Yeah, for sure. There was a lot of competition for first. But it once again goes to Global Itinerary.
Yay! Congratulations, teams, for the great hacks that you built and for the prizes that you won. All of the demos that we saw this weekend were completely spectacular, and it's great to see all the work that you all have done in the past few hours. So congratulations to everybody. Hope you all had a great fun weekend with us. If you showed off your hack, you get an iDemo sticker, which is very custom to this particular event. So super excited for all of you to receive that. And you've again done a great job this weekend. Also, the fun is not limited to all our activities this weekend. We also have a lot of other stuff coming up for you. We have hackathons every weekend. So there's going to be coastal hacks next weekend, mental hacks too. And we also have a few more other fun events coming up, so make sure that you stay tuned with the MLH activities, and we can't wait to get back with you. Thank you again for all our hackers, mentors and judges. Hope to see you all later in another event. Bye bye.